Hello guys, welcome back to Analyst Adda. So this basically we can say the series is going on the string methods. Okay, a lot of the previous classes we have discussed the string methods. The four part is already published. If no one watched these videos, so please watch these videos from the Analyst Adda YouTube channels. You can find out these series, the method string. So we have discussed a lot of the 11 important string method we have already discussed. So in this class we will discuss the replace. Replace is also very important. Okay, so what is the use of replace? Basically we can say the replace method is used to replace the character, or we can say we can change also the character or the substring with the new one. Okay, so we have the two variation we have for replace. First is replace old char to char new char. So we need to pass old char to new char. Okay, so over here, suppose stop replace. Okay, char, old char to new char. So we will get the string value, okay, with new character. Here we need to pass which character we need to change. Suppose I change A. Okay, A to O. Suppose if we want to change A to O, so it will replace all A character where were present in the string to convert or change into the O. Let's run this program and change O, right? The O I pass, correct. I pass the 0. Okay. Analyst Adda, right? Analyst Adda, it will change the Analyst Adda to Analyst Adda, Oda. Okay. So if we want to change the character, okay, if we want to change the particular character, so it will replace all character. So it is suppose we need when we need to character level corrections. If in a string we need to change the corrections, like removing unwanted character or the formatting. At that time this replace is very useful, right? If we don't want to a or something another characters, at that time we can replace the whole string, replace with new character. Okay, the second is we can replace the word also. Okay, replace sequence to sequence. Here you can see the both are same. It means we need to, here we need to pass the string, whatever string we need to change to updated string here, or replaceable string. Suppose I like mango. Correct? I like mango. Then if someone came here and he wants, no, I don't like mango, I want apple, right? S dot replace char to CharSequence replace. This is the targetable, this is the replacement. So first one is the targetable, a second one is a replacement, or we can put here the target and replacement. So S is the mango, we need to put, because this is a string, double quote, to apple. Okay, so it will change mango to apple. I like apple, right? Suppose if I put if in a string the 2 times or 3 times or multiple times the same word is, same string is, same substring is available, correct? So it will replace all of the places, right? I like mango, mango is good for, or we can say the mango is rich in vitamin C. Okay, so here I, in this string the 2 times is mango, right? So it will replace from both of the places, right? I like apple, apple is rich with vitamins. Okay, I hope you understood this thing. And so it, we can change the multiple words also, right? So with the help of replace we can change the multiple words. And one more thing, it is important because the replace is the case sensitive. So while using the replace we need to, in the remember it is case sensitive. Suppose I like mango, suppose here I'm putting the small, right? Or here I am just replacing the capital, right? So if I run this program, you can see here mango doesn't change, right? It change only the apple because it is case sensitive. If we put the caps, if we put the small characters word, if we put the all of the characters is the uppercase or lowercase, so the particular word, particular substring cache sequence we need to put the as it is because it is case sensitive. Okay, this is the very important thing we need to remember while using the replace. And another thing is the you have heard about the name of the replace all, correct? So replace, oh, replace all. So what is the difference between replace and replace all? Is there any difference? Because the name is given is a replace or replace all, because if we replace with this is this replace, we can also replace the multiple characters also, multiple word also. But why here is putting is a replace all? Replace all does the same thing or is there any difference? Okay, so both are replacing the word, but the replace we use in the simple replacement, like the we have changed the character or the word, right? Substring. But the replace all use the regular expressions, regex. So based on the pattern, we can replace the word with the help of replace. This is very powerful. Okay, this is replaces is we can use in the small cases for we need to change the character, we need to change the cache sequence value. But if we need the replacement based on the pattern, then at this time we will use the replace all. Okay, so suppose uh, okay, let me take an example. Can just suppose we have putting here the some digit number also in this string. Suppose mango is rich in vitamin C. I eat mango at 12. Okay, suppose 12. This is number, right? We need to change the number, or if the unnecessary number is so. Okay, first I'll change this dot replace all string regex or string replacement, right? This. So here we need to put the regex value, the pattern value we need to put here, right? So we need to change the digit number, correct? So any of the digit if present in the string, it will replace with space or without space. Okay, so if I run this replace all with this program, so I like mango, mango is rich in vitamin C, I eat mango at, the number is replaced with space, correct? Or if the unnecessary number is available in a string, suppose the 4 5 or the 7 8, something like this, or 2 3, something like this, so it will replace the all of the digit number. I like mango just. So unnecessary, if suppose you want to, if we have the string and the it is contains the it contains the numbers and the words, and if need, we need only the characters, we need to replace, we doesn't need the number, we doesn't need the digit, then it is very helpful. Okay, replace all, and we can space the um, and any of the pattern we can use here. This is very useful. Regex basically very useful in wildcard, regex wildcard, and we need to replace, because we can use any of the regex pattern value we can pass. Suppose we have passed here the space, right? We need to, suppose if we space, just like, give me 1 second, we put extra space here, right? We put extra space in this string, so it will one space only. Okay, so we need to replace all spaces, all extra spaces with only one space. I like mango. This is the one space we do. Okay, one space and two space. This is two space, and here I can check again. One. Okay, one or two, right? Or in the middle you can check here also the correct. Suppose here I did not give any space. Here I given the space, two spaces, right? So it will remove one space. Okay, I just put a space also. Okay. Okay, so just replace the all spaces to without space here. So if we space the white, whatever the white spaces, so it will space the only one. I like mango here, I suppose. Yes, I put it the two spaces, right? And suppose if we want to change, suppose the dot, correct. If you want to change the dot to dash, right, so we can also change dot uh, dash. This is the case. A lot of pattern we can use. So all of the dot, it will replace the whole string. Dot to, not it will change only dot to uh, dash, it will replace whole string. That, not dot, it will replace the whole string also. So this is the because it matches the every character, so all character are replaced with dash. I dot, I dot, or replace the dot to dash. So it is a regex wildcard that matches every character also with the help of dot. Also all character are replaced with the dash, but if we go in the replace, it will replace only the dot to dash in the case of replace, not replace all. Okay, so we have a lot of patterns, so use different patterns in our programs. Okay, so you can see the examples, the pattern according to our project requirement. We can use the different patterns also. I hope you understood, and if you have any issue, you can ask me, or go open the ID and just practice what the output you are going, right, what the output is. So if you face any issue, you can ask me, right. I hope you understood the replace and replace all. Thank you.